Hello again. Well, it is, oh goodness, yeah, 3:42 in the morning. I really need to sleep, but, yeah, this is just a little tiny, I guess it'll be just an added addition. I'm not going to do a very long video at all, but, my last video that I just am uploading right now, is to do with the snow, and I know that I said that I wanted to show what it looks like at about 3 in the morning, and it's 3:45 right now, so... I mean, mind you, it's not going to be as quiet as I'd anticipated because all the snow plows are out, but I also wanted to just show how much since I went out it was 4 o'clock, and then I went out again at 9 o'clock, and now it's 3 o'clock, and you can see everywhere, all that I've been. I'm not going to go out very far out because it's actually, there's a lot of snow. But you can see, like, you can't even tell that I went outside. So, yeah, without further ado, oh, look, a floating head. Yes. So, as I was saying, sorry about the no makeup. I don't feel like I'm all dressed up at 3, what's the point? It's 3:45. But, so, yeah. So, I guess, 6 hours more now have passed. And where are my footprints? I do not see my footprints anywhere. I do not see very many footprints at all. This is what I was talking about with, how it's like, you go outside and it's like unbroken snow at 3 in the morning. And I think, yeah, there you can kind of catch what I was talking about with the... Hopefully, maybe if I can get a good filter on that, that'll actually replicate a little bit what I'm trying to talk about with the orange sky. But yeah. And you see how quiet it is? I mean, you can hear, yeah, you're always going to hear those snow plows and such, but odd. I don't know why anybody would be calling for a cab at 3:45. Here, not for me. Oh, there's somebody else. Mm-hmm. But yeah, this is pretty impressive snow. There's a lot to it. Pretty cold outside. So yeah, that's the update, and I'll go to sleep and we'll see what's out here tomorrow. I highly doubt I'm going to be going anywhere tomorrow. Not in this weather. It's going to be a lot of trudging around in like knee-deep snow, and I got enough water and food and stuff like that. I am out. Until the next YouTube video. Bye! Alright, I'm going to do a last little teeny tiny update. I'm not going out very far because it is really cold. The snow has finally stopped. This is the mountain that is in front of my door. We have blue skies. We have a break. I don't know if there's anything else following it. We didn't get snow for about 3.5 months, so it's basically like it's all come at once. But that gives you an idea of our winter wonderland. And truly, 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 this. There's a lot of snow, and I bet you there's another storm on the way. Oh, okay, well, I am pretty tired, so yay for snow cleaners. Ah, nice, good job. Alright, Well, until the next YouTube video, I'd show you guys my face, but I'm not dressed up right now, and I'm tired, and I haven't slept, so. I love you all. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And yep, until the next YouTube video. Mwah! Bye!